Hey guys, it's Will at Jordan Bikes and this is a Kawasaki Ninja SX. Absolute belter is this. Obviously the front LED headlights that you get on these, full colour display, you get cruise control now on these Ninja 1000s, you get the different modes, you get a quickshifter auto blipper. This one's also got the SW Motech engine protection on there as well. Facts and figures wise, it is a 2020 plate, 6,430 miles, as you can see there. Traction control systems, obviously, like I say, power modes on there, and it is gorgeous. In order to get it purchased, dead easy. Pop down to Jordan Bikes, give us a call.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.